test 1 was the day that I found out. Test 2 was 2 days later, and test 3 was the day after I started bleeding. Okay guys, so before I go ahead and start filming this video, I just want to show you guys the pregnancy test. Hold on, let me change that angle so you guys can see them better. Okay, so let me show you guys these tests real quick. Okay, let's get that focus. Okay, so test 1 was the day that I found out. Test 2 was 2 days later, and test 3 was the day after I started bleeding. So yeah, that's it. There we go. That's better. That's kind of gross, but what's up? I'm drawing my tissue box because even though I'm trying not to cry, I may just need it. So by the title of this video, I guess you guys wondering what's going on. The title is right. You guys not seen doubles. There's no easy way to say it than saying that I was
pregnant.
Yeah, you guys, I was pregnant, and was mean was. It's no longer there. So let's see how, I don't know how to even tell you guys this. Basically, we started trying for a baby, and it happened at our first go.
It happened fast.
It happened fast, and I knew it from the minute it happened, because I would say from the minute it happened, I knew it like a week or two in. One, because I know my body. You guys know that I work out a lot, and I know how I feel after I should eat breakfast and lunch and dinner, and I wasn't feeling like that. I started feeling tired. My breakfast wasn't enough anymore, my lunch wasn't enough anymore, and dinner wasn't enough anymore. So I know something was right. I'm going to insert the clip right here to show you guys when I found out that I was pregnant and how I told babe that I was pregnant. So you guys see that I'm not joking on this. Hi guys. You guys, I am nervous like crazy. I don't know why I'm nervous, because I'm not supposed to feel nervous, but I'm feeling nervous. I think my gut is telling me that I am pregnant, and the reason why my gut is telling me that I'm pregnant is because for the past few days my body is just not feeling right. It's like my body is trying to tell me something, and I think I am pregnant. It's a possibility because we're trying. It's the first time that we started trying, but I don't know if it would have happened on the first try. But I'm so nervous. But let's see. My period was supposed to come today, and it's almost the end of the day. It hasn't come, but I am just so curious, and it won't get off my mind. So I just decided that I'm gonna take a test and see if I'm just crazy or my instinct is right. So I'm going to pee in a little container that I have and take this pregnancy test right here. This one, I'm so freaking nervous, you guys. I'm gonna take that test and see if my instinct is right. So let's do this. I stick the stick in the pea, and I put it down right there. Let me show you guys it. It's right there. I put the thing over it so I can't see it. I can't see it, so that way. Oh, my heart is just pounding like this. Baby's in the living room. Babe think I'm crazy, but let's see if I'm crazy. I'm so nervous. It says to wait about 2 to 3 minutes. I'm just gonna sit in here and wait and see. I am so freaking nervous, you guys. If you could feel my heart right now, it's like it's pounding out my chest, like literally just pounding out of my chest. That's how I'm feeling. When I bought the pregnancy test, babe said to me, "Hey, why are you buying these already?" But he know how I am. I like to buy them and keep them. Though I have one, I wanted to buy some more just to keep to see. But he said to me, "You don't need to take those now because I'm sure nothing is there, but my body is just not feeling right." So let's wait and see what's going on. Guys, I think I'm gonna look at it now. I'm so freaking nervous. I'm whispering because Babe and Tyler is just in the living room. Let me show you guys the test that I took to let you guys see which one it is. So it's this one. Moment of truth. I freaking knew it. I know it. Oh my God, you guys, I know my body. I know how I'm supposed to feel. I know my body, and I know the way I've been feeling for the past few days. It is not like me. One, I'm feeling a little bit tired than I used to. Even if I don't work out, I feel a little tired. And the little portions of food that I eat in the mornings, I find that when I'm eating them, I'm feeling hungrier quicker. So I know something is not right. I know it. Okay, you guys, I think because I test early, it's a faint line, but it's there. Let me show you guys. There goes that faint line. I know it. I know it. I freaking know it. I know that I am pregnant. I know it. Let's see. I have to tell Babe because I remember when I was pregnant with Tyler, we did it together. We shared the moment together, and I wouldn't want to not let him know right now. I wouldn't be able to keep it from him, so I have to tell him right now. I have to tell him right now. Baby? Babe? Honey? Babe?
You have nothing to tell me. How does it work? After we did the things.
I test it because all week I haven't been feeling right, and then I know I wasn't gonna test today. I was gonna test in the week when you're away from Paris, but it just on my mind. I just couldn't not do it. Test again in a few days and show you guys the next one, but I know I'm not stupid. I know it. I know it. I know it. I know it. We are having a baby. Look cute. You ready? You ready? You ready? My baby number 2?
I live is what?
What? You not ready?
Yeah.
Alright. That happened, and we were pretty excited, especially me. I was over the moon. I was so excited, and everything just happened so fast. Bae went away to Paris
For a couple of days.
And then when Babe went away to Paris, it's like everything, I was feeling the same symptoms that I was feeling. And then one day while he was in Paris, almost a week, he called me and I said to him that, just randomly I said to him that, this minute I feel pregnant and next minute I don't. I just don't feel pregnant today anymore. That was my exact words. And I went to work, and Babe was on his way home that same day. And that same night, I started bleeding. TMI, who doesn't want to hear that? I'm sorry, I'm just telling you my story. I started bleeding, and when Babe, I didn't tell Babe before he leave Paris because I thought it was just spotting. And when Babe came home, I just lost it. Right?
I think your exact words was like, you say I think, you didn't say I did, or you say I think I'm having a miscarriage. I think that was your exact word, but the I think was your exact word, because my reaction was, you say you think or you say you sure. And yeah, that was your word.
Yeah, and
I think you say I think because the shock for you, and like you still have hope inside you, and the hope wasn't gone. The hope was still there, like a little hope. That's what I think.
Yeah, because I didn't want it to believe that it was a miscarriage. I thought it was just spotting, and I went online and I read, and they're saying that implantation take place within this period of time. And by the way, you guys, at this moment I was about 5 weeks, and the next day I woke up, the bleeding was heavy throughout the night, and the next day I woke up, TMI again, you guys, there was blood clot. So when I saw that, I knew that that was it. I knew that was it, and I told Babe about all that happened. Babe went to work, and I don't think I had work that day. I had stayed home, and I just called my mom, and I sobbed, and I bawled, and I called my sister, and I just bawled, and I just lost it. And then I ended up seeing my doctor, and my doctor confirmed that yeah, it is indeed a miscarriage. And yeah, but like my friends and my family says that after every rain comes a rainbow, which means the rain is for the tears and the rainbow is for the next baby to come, if Almighty decides that that is what he wants for us. So I just wanted to share my story with you guys. I know you guys realize that you guys haven't been seeing any working out videos in the vlogs and a little changes in the vlogs, but I don't even think you guys realize that that's what's happening. And I've been a few days you guys didn't get any vlogs. It was during all of this was all of that was happening while you guys didn't get any vlogs for a few days. So I'm just letting you guys know what's been up and that your girl was indeed pregnant. I didn't cry. I got choked up for a minute, but I didn't cry. And I deliberately come on to tell you guys when I think I was healed enough, because I didn't want to break down on camera. So I think I've cried enough where I decided that I'm not gonna cry anymore, and I'm trying to get over it and move on and be positive and stuff like that. So anyway, you guys, that's it for today's video. Just sharing my life and my story with you guys. Hopefully you guys, I wouldn't say enjoy this video, because there's really nothing to enjoy about all this sad news. So we'll see you guys in tomorrow's video, basically.
We will. We're back.